Rudy and the Blowfish here on the Voice of Hauraki, nearly 9 o'clock here on Iwi FM. Been a busy hour between 8 and 9, obviously covering the Hauraki Activation around Hauraki. Just finished having a bit of a corridor with Mike Baker up there in Manaia. Back now, though, we're going to head down to, of course, the bro Reha Watnea, down there with the whanau in Paeroa, as they get ready to do a karakia soon, wrapping up their little activation. Being done nice and peacefully. You can hear he's got one of the whanau there having a little kata in the background. More than bro.
Oh, morning, well, we're still down here at the roundabout, ki te Paeroa, ako ake nei ka tukui ngā karakia whakamutunga, before we make our way over to Te Wairanga for the 12 p.m. hikoi through the main street of Thames. Here we are, not before we do wrap up our bit of a protest here in Paeroa. We've got one of our beautiful whanaungas who have just come from Ngātia's protest, well, not protest, activation me kira. So she's going to have a bit of a corridor to us. She's a bit nervous because she is so tiriti hard. She don't know how she can control her passion for this kaupapa, but she's going to give it a go. Hioi anō, morena. Ko ai koe, nohea koe, and all that beautiful stuff. So say,
my name's Lydia. I'm from Whakatane.
And you said you've just come from Ngātia. How's the vibe over in Ngātia?
It was very good. Yeah. It was very toitu.
Aye, see, whānau, she's so toitu te kaupapa, she's so nervous to speak. She's made her way over here to Paeroa to be with our whānau, our tamariki o te kura tuatahi o Paeroa. Now, Ewa, for you personally, what is the main focus of today's gathering, activation of our whānau across the motu?
Ngā mokopuna. Ngā tamariki, ko rātou ke ngā take, te take.
Aye. Now, mō whē ake, whaiaha e tahi o ngā mea, a wairua nei, you can feel among our whānau here in Paeroa. What's the atmosphere? What's the vibe like? The
vibe is very prominent. He kuputera, he kuputera. It's very Māori.
And for someone that's not from Hauraki, but e whakapapa ana whānau, hey, in-laws, yaha tō experience with our whānau here as we wrap up our karakia I tēnei ata.
I just love it. Yeah, it's been very good. I'm very blessed to be here, home away from home. Tings. Yeah.
And then I know your whānau down there in Whakatane are probably out and about today on the activation hikoi. What are some messages you can send out to our whānau across the motu for this day?
A message to the whānau, toi tū te tiriti, and kia kai te rānei te whānau.
Hioi anō te whānau, koe nā tātou ki konei ki te Paeroa, tēnei wā, kua hiki te ato tātou nei kaupapa. As you can see, our whānau are all just gathering as they get themselves ready to do the closing karakias. Before we head off to Thames te whānau, if you're not doing anything today, tēnā haere mai ki te Wairanga, Thames, Victoria Park, 11:30 we'll all be gathering there, and we'll be doing the march, the hikoi, on the main street from Victoria Park at 12 p.m. te whānau. So tēnā, if you're not doing anything today, kawea mai o tamariki, kawea mai o kaumātua in support of our kaupapa. We know that this year is going to be a busy year with full of activations. Koinei te mea tuatahi mo te taunei, te whānau, but it's only just getting started. Koe anō e hoa, I'll let the corridor go back to you in the studio so I can get over there for our karakia.
Wicked, my bro. I'll let you go. Thank you very much for the mahi you've done this morning as well. Catching up with the whānau out and about in Paeroa this morning. Reha been live with us right through between 8 and 9. Good to catch up quickly with Mike Baker up there with the whānau in Manaia as things kind of wrap up, and they will congregate and head through to meet at Victoria Park in Thames at 12 o'clock today as well. We'll do more coverage between 12 and 1 o'clock as we better get you the news and sports here on the Voice of Hauraki. Ko te reo Hauraki na Iwi FM.